you're looking for the best safety shoes, you're in the perfect spot. Safety shoes are essential for protecting your feet at work, whether you're on a construction site, in a warehouse, or tackling tough jobs outdoors. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 safety shoes that combine durability, comfort, and style to keep you safe while working hard. We've spent countless hours researching hundreds of products, so you don't have to. From steel-toe designs to lightweight comfort, these safety shoes tick all the right boxes. Make sure to check the product links in the description below to find the perfect pair for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Quality Safety Shoes. Men Anti-smash, Anti-puncture work shoes, lightweight, indestructible shoes, protective, security, sneakers. These sneakers are the perfect blend of durability and comfort. The anti-smash and anti-puncture features make them ideal for high-risk environments, while the lightweight and breathable mesh design ensures you stay comfortable during long hours. With a stylish mixed-color pattern and flat heel, they're not just functional, but also fashionable for safety footwear. On the downside, while these shoes excel in lightweight design, they may not offer as much insulation for colder climates. However, for warm weather or indoor use, they're a great choice. Pros: lightweight, breathable, anti-smash protection. Cons: limited insulation for cold environments. Number 4. Larnmern work safety shoes. Men/women steel-toe, lightweight, slip-on, breathable, non-slip summer shoes. For construct safety boots. And the final ratings go to 5 stars. Now, if convenience and breathability are what you need, these slip-on safety shoes are a must-have. With a steel toe cap for protection and a non-slip rubber outsole, they're perfect for construction work or other demanding jobs. The lightweight and breathable nylon upper make them especially suitable for warm climates. However, the slip-on design may not offer the same level of ankle support as lace-up styles. Pros: easy to wear, lightweight, breathable, non-slip. Cons: limited ankle support. Number 3. Larnmern men's safety shoes SRC, non-slip women, steel toe work shoes. Waterproof, shockproof, construction, sneaker. These safety sneakers combine top-notch protection with a sleek design. Featuring steel toe caps, waterproof materials, and shockproof construction, they're ready for the toughest conditions. The lightweight build and non-slip outsole ensure comfort and stability throughout the day. One limitation is that the elastic band closure might not provide the snug fit of lace-up designs for all users. Pros: steel toe, waterproof, shockproof, non-slip. Cons: elastic band may not suit all foot shapes. Number 2. Larnmern safety shoes. Men anti-static work shoes, relinquished. Slip-on steel toe shoes, breathable construction sneaker. These anti-suspended shoes are a standout choice for industrial and construction work. The steel toe caps and non-slip outsole offer excellent protection, while the breathable design keeps your feet comfortable. Reflective elements enhance visibility, adding an extra layer of safety in low-light conditions. The downside is that these shoes might feel heavier compared to other lightweight options. Pros: anti-crushable, breathable, steel toe reflective. Cons: slightly heavier. Number 1. Larnmern means safety work boots, steel toe shoes, anti-puncture, anti-sweating, non-slip protective boots. At the top of the list, these safety boots are built for maximum protection and durability. With steel toe caps, anti-puncture soles, and anti-stretch features, they're perfect for industrial jobs. The non-slip rubber outsole provides excellent grip, while the EVA insole ensures all-day comfort. While these boots are heavier than some other options, their superior protection and comfort make them worth it for demanding jobs. Pros: robust protection, anti-puncture, anti-extravagant, comfortable. Cons: heavier than other models.